Hello everyone, my name is Pradnya Gamande, student of Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, BSc Final Year Biotech, Group BTB. Today I am going to share some information about the photoelectric effect. Let's start with the introduction. Photon, quantum of light. In 1905, Einstein proposed that electromagnetic radiation or light is made up of photons. Thus, the photon is the elementary element of light or light is made up of photons. Einstein showed that light energy is not emitted continuously, but it is emitted by individual amount of energy called as quantum of energy. Energy of photon. According to Einstein, each photon of a light wave of frequency has the energy E is given by E is equals to hv, where E is the energy of photon, that is in joule. H is the Planck's constant. It is given as minus 6.626 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule. V is the frequency of photon, that is in hertz. Properties of photons. A photon does not have any mass, a photon does not have any charge and are not reflected in electric field or magnetic field. All the quantum numbers are 0 for a photon. In empty space, the photon moves at the speed of light. In the interaction of radiation with matter, radiation behaves as if it is made up of particles called photons. The energy and momentum of a photon are related as follows. E is equals to Pc, where P is the magnitude of momentum and C is the speed of light. Photon is called as virtual particles. The energy of a photon is directly proportional to frequency and inversely proportional to its wavelength. Photoelectric effect. When a beam of light of sufficiently high frequency onto a clean metal surface, then the light will cause electrons to leave the surface. Definition of photoelectric effect. The phenomenon of emission of electrons by the metals when they are exposed to light of suitable frequency is called as the photoelectric effect, and emitted electrons is called as photoelectrons. Photoelectric effect, construction and working. First, we see the construction. The Hertz experimental setup used for studying the photoelectric effect is shown in above figure. Number 2. The setup consists of an evacuated glass tube that has a photosensitive metal plate C and another metal plate A as shown. A monochromatic light source emerging from the source S of sufficiently short wavelength enters the glass window W and falls on photosensitive plate C is called emitter. Photoelectric effect working. When a beam of light falls on photosensitive plate C, which is called emitter, the plate C emits photoelectrons due to photoelectric effect. The photoelectrons emitted by plate C will be attracted towards the positive plate A. These electrons flows in the internal circuit to cause an electric current in the circuit. Such a current is known as the photoelectric current and measured by the micrometer connected in the circuits. Characteristics of photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. When light of suitable frequency is incident on metal surface, then electrons are emitted from the surface called as photoelectric effect. Characteristics are given below. Number 1. Threshold frequency is different for different material. Photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity of light. The kinetic energy of photoelectrons is directly proportional to frequency of light. Stopping potential is directly proportional to the frequency, and the last characteristic is the process is instantaneous. Einstein photoelectric equation. According to quantum theory, radiation is considered as shower of particles called photons. Energy of photon absorbed by atom HU is number 1 used to detach the electron W0, and kinetic energy is given to electron HU is equals to W0 plus kinetic energy. HU is equals to W0 plus half mv square. Therefore, HU minus W0, where W0 is the photoelectric work function, it is given as HU0. HU minus HU0, therefore we consider it as H in bracket U minus U0, where m is the mass of electron, v is the velocity of electron, h is the Planck's constant, u is the frequency of radiation, and U0 is the threshold frequency. Significance. Number 1, if U is less than U0, kinetic energy is negative, that is no emission. If U is equals to U0, kinetic energy is 0, that is emission just begins. Third, if U is greater than U0, kinetic energy is positive, that is emission take place. Working of photoelectric cell. A high tension battery and microammeter UA are connected to plate C and loop A as shown in figure. Working. When the light of suitable frequency is incident on the emitter C, it starts emitted. The photoelectrons are attracted towards the collector A. Application of photoelectric effect. Number 1 application is photoelectric cell using camera for exposure meter. Photocell. The photoelectric effect is commonly used to measure light. Camera, light meter. It can also generate electricity, that is photovoltaic cell. Photoelectric cell are also used in burglar alarm. Photoresistor. Light dependent resistors. Principle is as a photoresistor or LDR is a resistor whose resistance decreases with increasing incident light intensity. Symbol for LDR is given as. Thank you.